Hello and welcome to today's English grammar lesson. Today's lesson is focused on these two words, many and much. Many English learners get confused about the exact time to use each of them. In today's video, that confusion will be cleared off. Okay? We use many when the noun that comes after it is a count noun. That means the noun can be counted. Okay? So we use many for countable nouns. Countable nouns. Use much when the noun that comes after it is a non-count noun. That means the noun cannot be counted. It means you cannot make that noun plural. Okay, so it's used for non-count nouns. Let's use them to complete these sentences. 1. I don't blank time today. The noun that comes after it is time, and this is a non-count noun, so it is uncountable. You cannot count time, so if you cannot count it, then much should be the right word. I don't have much time today. 2. There isn't blank evidence to support the claim. Evidence is a non-count noun. So if it is non-count, we use much. There isn't much evidence to support the claim. 3. She has blank friends in her new school. Friends is the noun here that comes after it, and it is countable. You can count friends. So the correct word to use is many. Many friends. She has many friends in her new school. 4. How blank luggage are you traveling with? Luggage is a non-count noun, so the right word to use is much. Much luggage. 5. There are blank students in the classroom. Students is a countable noun, so the right word is many. Many students. 6. He doesn't have blank money. Money is non-count noun. You cannot say monies, all right? So the right word to use is much. Much money. 7. There weren't blank opportunities available last year. Opportunities is the noun that comes after it, and this can be counted. You can count opportunities. So the right word is many. You can say many opportunities. 8. How blank water is left in the bottle. Water is the noun, and water cannot be counted. So the right word to use is much. Much water. 9. She doesn't show blank interest in the project. Interest is the noun that comes after it. Interest cannot be counted. So the correct word is much. Much interest. 10. How blank books did you buy? Books is the noun that comes after it, and books can be counted. You can see there's letter S here to show that it is plural. If the noun can be counted, we use many. Many books. 11. He has made blank progress since last month. Progress is the noun here, and progress cannot be counted. So the right word is much. Much progress. We don't need blank sugar in the tea. Sugar is a non-count word, so the right word is much. Much sugar. There aren't blank reasons to panic yet. Reasons can be counted, so we use many. Many reasons. I didn't get blank information from him. Information is not a countable noun. We don't say informations. So if it is not a countable noun, we use much. Much information. How blank advice did the teacher give you? Advice is a non-count noun. So the right word is much. We say much advice, not many advice. There are 2 blank cars on the road today. Cars can be counted, so the right word is many. Many cars. She didn't receive blank complaints about her service. Complaints can be counted, so the right word is many. Many complaints. She made blank mistakes in the exam. Mistakes can be counted, so the right word to use is many. Many mistakes. There isn't blank hope left after the delay. Hope is not a countable noun. You cannot count it. So the right word to use is much. Much hope. There are blank students waiting outside. Students is a countable noun. So the right word to use is many. Many students. How blank rice do you need? Rice is not a countable noun, so the right word to use is much. Never you say many rice. The right word is much. Much rice. And the last one. There were 2 blank details missing from the report. What is the noun that comes after it? This is the noun. Details. Is details countable or uncountable? If you know the answer, then you should know the word that should be here. Is it many details or much details? Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.